I'm currently with my fashion photography class, and we're about to go to the museum that's literally right across from the school. The school is right behind me. We're going to the Pitti Palace Museum to go see the history of costume museum that's on the 3rd floor. We're going to see the White Hall. I'm very excited. It's going to be a really nice field trip. I'm going to get some footage for you guys because I feel like I'm going to see a lot of stuff that I like for today. Got the cream shoes on with the basic. I just bought these shorts at a vintage shop that I went to. They were like $15. I'm gonna show you guys some stuff in the museum. So keep watching. You guys know I love the jewelry. I really enjoyed that museum. Seeing everything was really nice. And the more I look at things, the more I realize that they split them by decades. People, today we going to the beach. We made it. We sure did. We be flaking, but we made it. Yeah. Woke up at 8 a.m. sharp. But yeah, we made it. We on this bullet train. When I don't know how many miles per hour. An hour and like 40 minutes with like all the stops that we taking. So we should be there soon, but not too soon. I'm excited to show y'all the beach. We decided to go with this Sanreggio because the other beach that everybody was telling us about has like pebbles. We weren't trying to, that wasn't what we was trying to go for. So we decided to go to this one so that we could have some sand. I'll be back with you guys. Guys, we have made it to Sanreggio, and right now we're just walking to the beach. It's about like a 20-minute walk, so I'm gonna let y'all know when we get there. Y'all, we have made it to the beach. I'm so excited. Like, it's just so pretty out here. Just a nice breath of fresh air away from the city life that I'm so used to now that I'm in Florence. But it's so beautiful out here. It's real cute. I love it here. It feels so nice. It's just so calm. Hello beautiful people. After an amazing relaxing day at the beach, we're now leaving. I'm so sad to leave, honestly. I wish we had got our train ticket to leave after sunset, but we thought that we want to, you know, come back a bit early since we have class tomorrow. But best believe, I think I'm gonna come back next weekend. I had a really good time, and it just made me like, it was a good escape from the city life, you know. Being in that city life every single day, it gets a little overwhelming sometimes, but this was really nice. The water was beautiful. The people were nice. It's very quiet, very mellow. The sun is shining very bright, but the wind is also blowing. It was just a very all-around nice experience. I had a really good time. Now I'm probably about to grab some food before we get on the train to go back. Our train is for 5:08. It's currently like, yes, 4:30. So we're about to, you know, walk back. It's like a 20-minute walk to the train station, and then we're gonna just head back. Probably it's gonna be like an hour and a half ride back. Who's driving? Not me. But yeah, it's gonna be like an hour and a half ride back. I just had an all in all good time. I took a lot of really good pictures. Well, which I know are good pictures. I haven't seen them yet, but I know they're good. You know, yeah, I've had a really good time. I'm really so sad to leave, y'all. Like, I'm such a like an outside sand water person. I love this. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna come back. We all agree that we really want to come back before the weather gets cold, so I'm gonna do that. So right now we're just walking up this little strip and just heading back to the train station. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna get some pizza and then I'll be gone. Ooh. $1? Don't mind if I do. I'm probably gonna get something from here.